Don't tell me this isn't cool. This is a hat with a solar powered fan. They call it a fishing hat with solar fan, but I just call it like a hat with a fan. So you can see it here. You have your mesh up here where it will breathe, and you have this back part here. So this keeps like the sun off of your neck. It has a drawstring, and this is kind of the special part of it. It has this fan. Okay, this fan has a solar panel. It has USB-C. So you can charge it with USB-C, but it's also being charged with the sun as well. So you kind of can get it over the hump, charge it all the way, and you put it on, and then basically this is blowing in your face. Now, it's gonna hang down because of the weight a little bit, but it's not too bad. And you can also kind of direct this into your face if you want. You know, so usually if you're fishing, you're obviously looking down. I don't know why you'd be looking up. So it being down like this really isn't a problem. And if you're out there and you're sweating, you're gonna definitely welcome this fan. It's adjustable as well. It has different speeds. There's a button inside here. It may be tough to see. And you hear it. Off, on a little bit more, and then on a little bit more. All right, so this is a fan hat. Pretty neat. What do you guys think? I like this drawstring as well, because you can even put it on here like this, I noticed, and have it basically just blowing on your back, kind of keeping the back of your head. Cool. So pretty neat. You can also take the fan off and just use it as a fan.